So guys, imagine getting cut with an almond because you tried to use it as eyeliner. And then you use because I was speaking. This matches really don't like me. Okay. Anybody got a lighter? So we went from this to this. You can see I'm not a smoker. Ha. No, that doesn't mean I'm a smoker. Don't. Yes. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. So today I was about to go to bed and then I saw an interesting hack on TikTok. Whereas all you need is some almonds and some matches and you can make eyeliner. This sounds suspicious, but I think we should give it a try. I think we should. Should we? Okay, without any further ado guys, if you want to see how the almond eyeliner turns out, all you gotta do is keep on watching. Let's go. So guys, I've got my almonds here. I've got 2, 4, 5, 6. So guys, if this works, we can probably give Bobby Brown and Estee Lauder and Mac a go. Seriously, because almonds are not that pricey. They're about 100 rand for a whole big packet. So I've got like this little tongs here. They are used for lighting the coal for some stuff. Now I'm going to place them like that, and yeah, like that. We can heat it up with the gas stove, but that could be dangerous. Okay, so we got this to grip here. Now we need to get some matches, and you can see I'm not a smoker. Ha. No, that doesn't mean I'm a smoker. Ooh, yeah, they said it needs to get burnt like. And then you use whatever, because I was speaking. And then you use all this black thing part here of the almond, and that is your eyeliner. Wait. This matches really don't like me. Okay. Anybody got a lighter? Don't I? Yes. It's popping. This smells bad. Okay. Let's do one more. The gas stove would have fried this thing. Yes. Ah, man. Okay, we Getting there. It's about. Do you see there? And ta-da! The slippers is not dirty, guys. It's stained. In case you're wondering why I'm not washing it. It's just stained. So let's do it this way. Like, yes. Yes. Okay, that's enough. I'm about to get burnt now. So guys, I'm thinking we should turn this thing around and then do the tip. So don't try this at home. I'm stupid. Okay, so no, let's do more stupid. This thing is hard. No, it's not about time you fall. No. Okay, that's just. Yeah. Now, let's try this. I think I finished all the matches. There's only a few left. Okay, one last time. Let's do it this way. Just a little bit more. That might not work. So we went from this to this. So time for testing now. It's going black, but how are we supposed to use this as eyeliner? Imagine going and getting cut with an almond. So guys, imagine getting cut with an almond because you tried to use it as eyeliner. Anyway guys, you can see this literally does not work. Maybe if you want it as black eyeshadow, but like we gotta work with that black. So guys, this is definitely a fail because that girl did use it as eyeliner on her eyelids, like how I got this one on today. She did have it like that. So guys, thank you so much for watching. This was a complete fail, but I tried it so you don't have to. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with another amazing video. I'm out, guys.